Implementation of ConnectFacts across various locations in India resulted in tangible productivity improvements for TMT manufacturers. For every 100 crore TMT sales, ConnectFacts can potentially add 0.75 crore to 1.25 crore to the bottom line. Gaining insights from these setups, we have equipped our product with 5 significant upgrades that enhance its performance and user experience. ConnectFacts for TMT 2.0 integrates with PLCs, SCADA, and drives to provide real-time data on power consumption, auto-calculation of heat cycle time, number of billets produced at caster, number of billets processed at rolling, auto-capture of start-stop at caster and rolling. Unlike standalone tools like PowerSCADA, ConnectFacts provide holistic and integrated view of performance and seamlessly connects with ERPs, SAP, Zoho, Slack, and other third-party apps for better coordination. ConnectFacts for TMT ensures data privacy by limiting access risks from third-party contractors. Like WhatsApp, it offers auto-disappearing data at intervals you define while still allowing full data downloads in Excel for any time range. Scroll a single page to be updated about the plant performance and people performance. Fully digitized preventive maintenance workflows help monitor effectiveness. Get quick access to the top issues affecting performance and intervene when necessary. Ensure shop floor problem-solving meetings happen effectively. That will free up your time spent on operational issues. While doing all this, significantly reduce human intervention to collect, compile, and report performance. Get more detailed, granular, and relevant KPIs that impact productivity for steel melting and rolling operations. Optimize operations with actionable insights at every stage. View production data, power data, availability, performance, yield, related major data points in a quick glance. Monitor 60+ micro KPIs measured at an activity level that impacts availability, performance, quality, and cost. Track details of downtimes, rate of power consumption, rate of billet production, recipe compliance, sequence breaks, tapping temperature, manganese consumption, lining life, ton dish loss. Understand department-wise contribution to downtime. Understand the major reasons contributing to downtimes. Understand repeating issues and the total impact on losses. With OT integration, correlate the power drawn at every 2 to 5 minutes to the shop floor manpower activities like rate of charging, sequence of charging, and identify activities that delays heat cycle times. Our new interface provides furnace supervisors with actionable insights while requiring minimal data entry. The supervisor can access real-time information on caster metal levels and furnace status, minimizing metal delays and sequencing issues. Tapping schedule helps supervisor to keep track of SMS productivity. Tracking of live heat cycle time helps supervisor intervene when there is a delay. Monitoring heat stages and ensure timely scrap material availability for the next heat, with quick support available from quality, maintenance, or crane operators. Track type-wise scrap availability between the furnace and raw material yard for timely material management and action. ConnectFacts for TMT 2.0 provides detailed data on a heat, including cycle time, charging sequence, and charging rate. It helps identify slow power consumption and performance issues. By systematically capturing and analyzing data over time, the operations team gains insights that enhance productivity and efficiency, ultimately benefiting the overall efficiency of the system. ConnectFacts is an AI-powered digital daily work management solution for TMT manufacturing companies to drive productivity.